welcome to our new house out here in our new state.
Yep.
You can come on this way to the so I can shut the door. All right, so here we are.
This is the entryway.
The entryway, okay.
The entryway up.
Go ahead, bud.
What?
Talk.
I don't know, you talk.
All right, here's our dining room right over here. We're gonna switch this out. I think we said that in our last video, but
It's
now.
be a black, gray, like grass theme.
Yeah, we got a table coming. Should we come this way or that way?
This way.
Well, let's go to the garage. We have a garage.
So this is the door.
The door.
Turn around,
There we go. We got a garage.
which is great.
Yeah, this is gonna be where the kickboxing is gonna start, right? Babe? Okay. Yeah. It's just another closet. Some people like to see closets.
An empty closet.
Yeah, this.
It's good for storage.
The other way. Oh, double click, Mom, double click. Double click, reset that. All right, here we are. There is a closet. We don't know if we get to keep.
What are these?
We don't know if this paint is our,
Yeah,
So.
whatever that is. Great look, check. That's the light.
There's a light switch for that. And the garage. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, we have another.
Closet.
You get that shot? Yeah.
Babe, I told you it's better. It's the GoPro is better. It's
Nah, it's
easier.
all right. It's good. It looks good, right, Mom? Mom's the camera lady today. Alberto's gone. This is our
tiny powder room.
type powder room, I guess.
Yeah, it's a decent size.
Okay. And then the big finale.
Finale.
So you get a grand shot of the kitchen.
So this is our kitchen.
This is quartz.
We have quartz countertop.
A black faucet, obviously.
And we have pendant lights pre-wired.
Yeah, you don't have to zoom up there, Mom.
We haven't picked out the lights yet, so it looks empty right now.
Yeah, but we, you know, when we did our walkthrough, we had a lot of issues with this house, which kind of stunk.
But the good thing is we're not moving till like a week from now, so they have like time to like fix all these issues.
Today's the 28th of October. So like our dishwasher door is a little bent. So these are things you got to notice when you buy a new house. There's
They ordered another one, so
yeah,
I don't know yet.
it's bent right here. There's a lot of different issues that we noticed, like nail pops. They still have to polish this. So there's a lot of things they need to do. So yeah, this is the kitchen. Fridge will eventually be here.
And have a
Pull-out garbage, which is
We have
nice.
a gas stove,
Yep.
which is an upgrade.
Yeah. He almost, when I said we got gas, he's like, what idiot gets gas? He almost said that. I think he did.
said that?
I think he was saying like, why, because we're like, there's only 2 houses in this neighborhood that have gas, so I don't know.
That's fine.
But then again, there's only like 70 houses in this neighborhood?
This is our pantry, decent sized pantry.
It's a little, is there a light in there?
Yeah, where's the light? Yeah. I don't know.
Oh no.
There you go.
Okay. Well, the guy already gave us some stuff. That's
Yeah.
nice.
This is all free.
All right, so we're gonna head this way.
This is a sunroom.
The sun room. We're gonna throw a fan up here one day.
It's a cool space, a big space.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do with it.
And then we have a deck or a patio, and then eventually one day that'll be a porch. We're gonna enclose that, a screened-in porch, which would be great.
Yep.
All right, that's. These floors, do these look gray to you? There's kind of like some brown in them, huh? Bob?
It looks great to me.
Think so?
All right, now we're heading upstairs.
Upstairs. Okay, there we go.
Oh.
Wow. Do you feel this light switch? It's very tough. All right, we're going up. Now we could fast forward this part. And now we're up here. So we're gonna go into the master. Let's go in there.
This is our master bedroom.
Yeah, this is it.
Pretty bare.
If you get but remember, when we did our walkthrough a week ago, they made us go along the wall and pick out all the imperfections. There is still imperfections, like this blue tape is for something. Oh, this right here. They better fix it, right?
Yeah.
Like this screen, this thing is bulging up. It's just different things that we noticed that they didn't get done, which is kind of...
Hopefully it should get done.
Yeah. So let's go to the master bathroom. Hey, there you go, Mom.
Okay.
So, where do you want to start?
Right here is a closet. This is gonna be my closet.
Wow, your closet, huh?
Gonna do built-in cabinets there. And then this is marble, and I guess there was a lot of issues with it. This looks like they yeah, there's a big chip here.
They try repairing it, so they're going to take this entire thing out and replace the entire thing. And they said they can do that in 3 weeks, so yay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I have the screen for this. This is downstairs. That screen downstairs in that closet is this screen.
Okay.
So, oh, we got toilet paper in here. Look at that. And then we got a tub.
Yeah, and
for drowning and a shower.
They fixed this, babe. It's not rattling anymore.
Oh wow! You know,
it used to rattle when you open it.
It's funny when you tell them it used to rattle, and you tell them it was rattling, and he's like, "Oh, that's how it is," and they're like, "Really?" You gotta stay on them.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. That is the master bath. Going into the master. What's going on, huh? Everything good? Huh? You good? Let's go this way. Are your arms dying? Oh. All right, so you didn't straighten the shot out. Oh man.
This is our second bedroom.
Yeah.
This bedroom is his own bathroom. It's a decent size.
Is it? Mom, do you feel like your room at home that we're staying in is bigger than this or smaller? This is probably bigger. Smaller. Your room is bigger?
Yeah, basically. Yeah. Alright, so here's the bathroom.
Yeah. Remember guys, when you're checking your stuff at your new home, make sure you shake these things, make sure they're screwed on tight.
Yeah.
Turn on the showers, make sure everything's sealed, the toilet doesn't shake. Just check it. Because you kind of notice at the end of when they're building a house, they want to hurry up and get to the next house.
Get it over with.
But nothing against them, I get it, but we paid all this money for the house. We want it perfect, right? Here we go. Where are we going here?
This is another bathroom.
This is another bathroom for the guests.
Are they fixing that?
See,
that out, right?
this thing is wiggly in here. It's the toilet paper thing, it's wiggly.
And
there's
a tiny closet here.
Yeah, closet in there.
And that one opens up to the other room.
Yeah, so we'll go to the other room, Mom. Camera lady over here, okay.
Ooh, this is bigger.
This looks bigger?
Yeah.
It does feel bigger.
On the other one?
Yeah.
So, what else? Was there any other problems in this room?
No. So quiet.
Yeah. Okay. All right, let's go to the laundry room. We did get a laundry room. It's upstairs. That pan did not come with it. We had to buy that. Make sure you get a pan for your washer.
Why? What's the reason?
in case it's leaking, right? It leaks in there, and then you know, instead of going on your floor. But you know what? We might have to take this off the ground because they still got to clean that grout, which I highly doubt they will do. Which is whatever. All right, this is bedroom number 4. It's a tiny room. It's not gonna be a bedroom. This is gonna be a
storage room.
A green room, not a storage room. This is where the guests will stay before we go to the show.
Really?
Because this.
Why are they staying here?
This is where they prep and they get their makeup. They get their makeup done here. We'll have a whole nine one day. All right, here is the Weber's Way show. It's gonna be in here. I'm probably gonna have to rip out this rug and put a floor in. I'm not sure. I might have to do that. But other than that, they got my internet in here, extra outlet. This is gonna be something. And that's my view, which I'm probably gonna have to block up eventually. So.
I don't know where you're blocking.
Right? So is that it? Anything else we need to show them?
The backyard? No, at the front?
We'll show you right now. We'll show you some aerial shots of the house right now as you are watching this. As you can see, we have everything has grass in it right now. Irrigation is in right now, and you can see the actually outline of our property. So wherever you see grass, you'll see that's the outline of the house. And as you can see in the neighborhood, it's a brand new neighborhood. So
there's a lot of construction going on.
yeah, there's gonna be a lot of construction going on.
Like the 2 houses beside our house are.
Yeah. So anyways, let's wrap it up, Mom, over here. Camera lady for the first time. And we got it. Here we are. So we finally made it. It was like actually, we started what, February?
Yeah.
We came out here in December. We looked for plots of land.
January, like last week of January.
Last week of January, they
And
came.
then I think they started building like June.
Yeah, they started building in June.
And now it's October 28th, closing day.
October 28th, we closed on October 28th, 2021.
Yeah.
And this is the beginning
Oh, yeah.
of our kid.
Chapter.
We're gonna have kids soon, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah. Yes, of course.
Of course, and this is our journey. We're going to continue on with this channel. We're going to do projects in each room. We're going to, and if you have any questions, let us know during this new process that we're going through. If you're going through it, we'll be glad to answer your questions because we went through a lot, but it was pretty simple with these guys.
Yeah.
Other than that, we got a new house now, living in our new state, which we will reveal. Is it revealed?
I'm sure everyone knows.
I'm sure you guys know.
It's in the description.
It's in the description. So yeah, so now you know. We're in North Carolina. Hopefully we can
Land of the free.
land of the free. Okay, we don't get
What?
political here.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Not just saying. Anyways, join us for our adventures here on this channel, The Webers, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and what else?
Like.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.